Are you looking? Demand for fake eyelashes has skyrocketed as beauty enthusiasts seek effortless glam without salon visits. Whether for daily wear or a special occasion, the right pair of lashes can elevate your entire look. In this guide, we evaluate the best fake eyelashes based on comfort, reusability, material quality, ease of application, and value. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, we've rounded up top-rated lashes to help you find your perfect pair. List No. Luxilia Magnetic Eyelashes with Eyeliner, 16-piece set. Luxilia's Magnetic Eyelashes kit is ideal for anyone who wants a mess-free, glue-free lash application. This 16-piece set includes 8 pairs of lashes in different lengths and styles, a magnetic eyeliner, and an applicator. Everything you need for a complete lash look. The magnetic liner holds lashes securely in place all day, while the lashes themselves are lightweight and mimic natural lash textures. Users love the soft bands and comfortable wear. These lashes can be reused up to 30 times, making them a cost-effective alternative to salon extensions. Whether you're going for a dramatic flare or subtle volume, Luxilia offers versatile options that are beginner-friendly. Plus, they're cruelty-free and easy to clean. For those wary of lash glue or seeking convenience, this is a top-tier choice. List No. Kiss Look So Natural False Eyelashes Multi-Pack 3. If you're after a barely there lash enhancement, the Kiss Look So Natural Multi-Pack 3 is your go-to. These lashes are feather-light, cruelty-free, and incredibly comfortable for all-day wear. Designed to blend seamlessly with your natural lashes, the tapered ends give a subtle lift and softness without looking overdone. The lashes are contact lens friendly and easy to apply with lash glue, not included, making them perfect for everyday wear or minimalist makeup looks. The pack includes 5 pairs, great value for frequent users. The synthetic fibers used are durable and vegan-friendly, and users appreciate how natural they feel on the eyes. For anyone who struggles with heavy lashes or is new to falsies, this multi-pack delivers elegance with minimal effort. List No. HBZ GT LAD 6 pairs fluffy false eyelashes. MDF12. The HBZ GT LAD MDF12 lashes are a hit for those who crave volume and glam while keeping things soft and natural. These faux mink lashes offer a 3D effect with just the right amount of fluffiness, ideal for nights out or photo-ready makeup. Each lash is handcrafted with a flexible band that makes them easy to adjust and trim to fit your eye shape. The quality rivals more expensive lash brands, and they can be reused multiple times with proper care. Despite their fuller appearance, the lashes remain lightweight and comfortable for extended wear. The synthetic fibers are cruelty-free and hold their curl well, even after several uses. If you love a fluttery, dramatic look without going overboard, this 6-pack delivers premium quality at a budget-friendly price. List No. Ardell Naked Strip Lashes 421. The Ardell Naked Lashes 421 are crafted for the no-makeup lover. Designed to enhance your eyes subtly, they offer soft volume and a gentle curl without any stiffness. The Invisiband technology makes them almost undetectable once applied, creating a truly natural lash line. These lashes are also contact lens friendly, reusable, and lightweight enough for everyday use. Application is quick and fuss-free, especially with clear or dark lash glue. Fans of this product rave about the comfort and how seamlessly they blend into natural lashes. Whether you're heading to the office or brunch, Ardell delivers understated elegance with a focus on wearability. They're a go-to for anyone looking to upgrade their lash game without making it obvious. List No. Kiramiro 14mm Faux 3D Mink Cat Eye Wispy Lashes. For fans of the sultry cat eye look, the Kiramiro 14mm Faux 3D Mink Lashes are a game changer. These lashes are wispy, multi-layered, and feathered in a way that lifts the outer corners of the eyes, perfect for almond or hooded eye shapes. At 14mm, they add length without overwhelming your look, striking a balance between flirty and sophisticated. The band is soft and flexible, making them easy to apply even for beginners. They're made from cruelty-free synthetic mink, offering the same fluttery finish as real mink without the ethical concerns. Plus, with careful handling, these lashes can be reused up to 15 times, ideal for date nights, parties, or adding a touch of glam to your everyday makeup.